How to deactivate your Facebook account. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to see how you can easily deactivate your Facebook account temporarily. First thing first, go ahead and open up Facebook application on your device. Now once you have your Facebook application open, you basically have to make sure that you are logged into the account that you want to deactivate. And then from here, you basically want to go ahead and tap on the profile icon or the menu icon at the top right. Then head over to settings. Tap on the gear icon and you'll go to the settings menu. Then you can just scroll down or you can find your account center right here on top. Tap on it. Once your account center opens up, you want to go to this setting called personal detail. Just tap on it. Now from your personal details, under identity confirmation, you'll have account ownership and control. Just tap on that. And then you'll be presented with two more options. You want to select the second one called deactivation or deletion. So if you want to temporarily deactivate your account, first select which account you want to deactivate. Since all of my accounts, including my Instagram, is connected to the account center, it's shown here. So I'll just select my Facebook account for now. Now from this pop-up, you want to select the first option because if you select the second option, the account will be deleted permanently. So you just want to temporarily deactivate it. What happens is your main account with your profile will be deactivated and your name and photos will be removed from most of the things that you've posted. You'll still be able to use Messenger. So what you do is basically tap on continue. And then for security reasons, it will ask you for your password. But before that, it will show you that these pages will be deactivated as well. So I'll just tap on continue. And then enter your password over here and simply deactivate your account. That's pretty much it, guys. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button down below, subscribe to our channel, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.